Where you are is where your power is. Let that sink in for a moment. The steps you take today and every day, they matter. So keep track of your daily habits, figure out where your time and your energy goes, and gradually remove needless distractions. Remember, there's a big difference between empty fatigue and gratifying exhaustion. Life is too short not to focus more on what matters in life. And you don't have to overwhelm yourself either. Just do what you can do right now. Practice focusing on what truly matters and letting go of what does not. Use your frustrations to motivate you rather than to annoy you. You are in control of your focus and how you choose to allocate your energy. Truly, your growth starts with you thinking your focus. Learning to let go of certain ideas and emotionally detach from certain patterns are two of the great paths to inner peace. But you have to be consistent about it. Remind yourself that just like every muscle in the body, the mind needs to be exercised to gain that strength. It needs to be worked consistently to grow and develop over time. If you haven't pushed yourself in 100 little positive ways over time, of course, you'll crumble on the one day that things get really challenging. Again though, it doesn't have to be that way going forward. You have choices. Number one, you could choose to be present when it would be easier to play on your phone. Number two, you can choose to do a workout when it'd be more comfortable sitting around. Number three, you could choose to create something special when it would be easier just to consume something mediocrity. Number four, you could choose to invest in yourself when it would take less effort to procrastinate. You could prove to yourself that you have the guts to get in the ring and wrestle with life. Mental strength is built through lots of little daily victories. It's the individual choices we make day to day that build our mental strength muscles, if you will. We all want this kind of strength, but we can't wish it our way into it. If you want it, you have to create positive rituals, mind-strengthening rituals in your life that reinforce what you desire. And if you need help strengthening your exercise rituals, you can request a free initial consultation and demo workout at maxstrengthfitness.com, and we'll help you start reversing the aging process in only 20 minutes, twice a week, without breaking a sweat. Thanks for listening.